Intended use for the treatment of foot injuries and skateboarding at Woodward.
This does not work as well as I thought it would. I am not okay with this. All right, we're gonna try a tray flip.
Hey, we're here today at Woodward West, and they invited us out here to this beautiful facility to make a bunch of videos. So we're here today with Vinny Bond and
your boy 1 Foot McGee over here. What is this?
You guys may have seen on Instagram, Leticia Buffoni posted a video of her doing a 3 flip with one of these, and then Shane O'Neill posted a video of him doing a tray flip with 2 of these on. And we thought, let's do it. So now we're here. It's gonna be sketch. I really don't know what to expect.
I expect to be wearing 1 boot. I feel like I'm opening bread.
That's how I just felt right now.
It's like you go to Boudin and you get one of those like,
what is this?
Turtles.
I don't know what this is.
I don't know. Wait, why does
it's
it matter?
Bothering
why
me.
does it matter?
Why is there a straw sticking out?
Because you inflate it.
You inflate it? You inflate it?
No,
Yes.
we're all in the game.
Inflation.
No way.
Because then it compresses.
He said it aerates your foot.
No, I thought they were like the air mags.
Save me. We got a note.
It says.
So this is from Aircast. Let's see. It says intended use / indications effective for the treatment of forefoot, midfoot, and hindfoot injuries, foot fractures, soft tissue, tendon, or ligamentous injuries or procedures, acute or postoperative care, i.e. bunionectomy, osteotomy, and ankle sprains, effective in fracture healing and edema management and skateboarding at Woodward. It actually says that.
Bunionectomy.
What are you doing?
I'm putting on the bunionectomy.
Oh, that's how you do it. Did you see that?
That even?
Oh, it looks like the toad throat when it's like, and it goes.
Gabe, we're at the
So
table.
what foot are we putting on? The left foot?
Your flick foot.
Your flick foot.
Your flick foot? Flick foot, flick foot, flick foot, flick foot, flick foot. I can't.
All right. We got enough air. I got like
Wait,
50
you gotta
PSI.
aerate this side too,
I
brother.
got like 100 PSI in these things. If this pops, my foot's gonna explode.
Air mags.
Okay, I'm pumped up.
Those are like
Get your foot out of my. All right, we're pumped up and ready to go.
Oh, that feels weird, dude. I already feel weird.
Hey, I want to see.
Listen, this one's.
That shoots right in my ear.
R.I.P. to my grip tape.
Oh, it's itchy.
Hey, props to her for doing
Dude,
that.
for real.
Yeah, because this does not work.
Yo, big props to both of
This
them.
does
What?
not work at all.
Is it bad?
Dude, this is weird. No way. No, there's no way.
Yeah.
Shane O'Neill did it with 2.
No.
With both
Photoshop.
He
feet.
did it with.
That's insane. All right, well, game of skate, full park. Let's keep it outside this time.
Hold on.
Are you reffing?
I can ref. You can, but we can both ref.
both ref.
Yeah, I'm not bored.
You guys have the.
Oh, I thought that was life. I got a life hack.
And Rochambeau, whenever you're ready. Vinny Bond versus Uzi Walker Dan. Well, I was right.
I thought you never lost. I have a hurt finger.
How? What's?
That's really hard. I really don't even know how you did that.
It's way too easy.
Wow.
It's way too easy for him. He's taller. Look at his shin.
You know what? He has an advantage because he skated in platform shoes.
Water
Makes sense.
Very similar.
Let's roll off the bank over there. All right. Should we get a little more harder?
What happened?
Let's ollie into the target.
Oh. What are you doing?
Flat ground. Thought that was a loophole.
What a cheater!
You keep skating flat ground, you're gonna get booted.
That's it. Ooh. It's so hard to bend in these. I just don't know what to do. I'm gonna try the axle on that.
Dan, this is great. I think this puts into perspective how talented Shane and Leticia are. That's nuts. I was honestly just thinking that it's hard enough to do that with regular shoes.
Okay.
That's okay.
All right, we're gonna try a tray flip on flat.
Oh yeah?
We have to.
You gotta do it. This is what sparked the entire video.
I think I saw how you did it. Man, let me try one more just for fun. Dude, this is hard to stay with.
We're gonna boneless into that actually.
Boneless
yeah,
into
we're
it?
gonna boneless into it. So since I can't really ollie. Oh! It's so scary. This does not work as well as I thought it would.
I have one shot, one opportunity. My knees are spaghetti.
You got a kickflip.
Kickflip? What should I do, Dan? Kickflip? Fine, I got a trick. Come with me, Dan. I'm going to the force there.
You're about to no way the forest there. I am not okay with this. I am okay with that. Haha.
Dan, I have to do this before we leave. Do not let me leave Woodward West without me doing this.
Okay.
I will never forgive myself.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, get a chance. All right, I'm doing it over here.
Yeah!
Off the ground.
How did you win that?
Yes! That was incredible. It was a barrel roll.
That was amazing. Oh, letter.
No flick.
Blood has been drawn.
What do I do now? Where do I go from here? I want to do a flat ground trick for Gabe.
He says he's gonna do it for me. Tries a switch flip, and then does possibly the worst attempt at a switch flip
Yeah, I just did one.
I've seen.
Wait, watch.
It's only off camera. When it matters, he can't land it. When it doesn't matter, of course he lands it. All right, Vinny, where to? Rainbow rail, let's get it.
I almost cried.
I'm trying to figure out something here, brother. Teetering?
It actually looked pretty safe. I think you can do it, Dan. Just
Well,
go.
I
really
got bodied on a curb today, but okay.
You gotta go way fast.
Well, it's hard with this boot.
Start there, Dan. Like that would help, right? There you go, pop.
I'm not a boot skater.
But you are a vert skater. Oh.
Somewhat. I'm just taking L's after L's today.
All right, well, Vinny, would you like to put on the other one?
I'm down.
Here, wait, let me deflate you. Do you feel it deflating?
I feel my soul.
Vinny, I think you broke him.
All right. Doug, help me. Thank you. Kickflip? There's no way. Oh!
Oh my god.
Wow! I had it. I feel like I'm walking with snow boots on.
Yeah.
Yes! Wow, that took so long. Oh, this is killing me. Woo! Oh, snaps. Ow! That hurt.
I think we're good.
Yeah, I think I'm scared of everything else. Willy Wonka?
Where's Gabe
Where'd
at?
Gabe go?
Do not let me leave Woodward West without me doing this.
Hey, Gabe! Do it!
I don't know, man. Oh! Oh, wait.
Just stay on there.
Oh, I'm getting swirly.
Oh, you got it now.
I'm sorry.
Alright, my heart is filled with love. Proud of you.
Thank you, dude. That's so fun. A ginormous thank you to Leticia and Shane O'Neill for giving us this idea from their Instagrams. Vinny, how do you think it was?
It was scary, horrifying. All I did was skate flat most of the time.
And
So-
still, absolutely not to be tried at home. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. We hope you enjoyed this video, and go to brailleskateboarding.com to learn how to skateboard with regular shoes on a regular board.
Yeah.